Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Paw Fountain is probably one of the most innovative and convenient solutions for keeping your furry friend hydrated, especially during those hot summer days or after an energetic play session, offering a continuous supply of fresh water activated simply by their paw, making it an exciting and practical addition to any backyard or outdoor space for pet owners seeking to ensure their dog's well-being with minimal effort. Number 5. SplashEZ 69-foot non-slip splash pad for kids and dogs. Say goodbye to slips and falls with its non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this pawsome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its pore-resistant materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. So grab your kids and dogs, and get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with its shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We are an American company committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? This splash pad offers a non-slip surface for safe play. Its generous 69-inch size accommodates multiple users, including pets. If you are looking for a safe, spacious, and durable outdoor water toy for both kids and dogs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum Pet Fountain. Introducing the PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum Pet Fountain. This automatic drinking fountain is designed for both dogs and cats, providing a continuous supply of fresh water. This fountain represents the ultimate in style and design. Its sleek appearance will complement any home decor, making it a sophisticated addition to your pet's essentials. It utilizes a patented free-falling stream of water, just like the original Drinkwell. This unique feature naturally entices pets to drink more, promoting better health and hydration. The Platinum model boasts an all-new design with enhanced safety. It includes a secure snap-on lid, preventing accidental removal and keeping the water contained. Furthermore, it incorporates a pre-filter. This essential component works to catch larger debris, ensuring that your pets always have access to cleaner, fresher drinking water. What we like? This fountain features a patented free-falling stream that encourages pets to drink more. Its sleek design includes a secure snap-on lid for convenience. If you want to boost your pet's hydration with a stylish and functional automatic fountain, consider this model. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be selected. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be selected. Number 3. PetSafe Drinkwell Replacement Carbon Filters. These are the only filters certified to fit your PetSafe Drinkwell fountain models, including the 1-2 gallon, 1 gallon, 2 gallon, Avalon, Pagoda, Sedona, and Seascape. You can trust them to integrate seamlessly with your existing setup. Keep your beloved pet's water clean and refreshing. These replaceable carbon filters work diligently to remove impurities, ensuring a fresh drink every time. Experience enhanced filtration with these filters. They contain 50% more carbon than generic brands, providing superior and longer-lasting water purification for your pet. Replacing them is incredibly simple. Just swap out the old filter when you clean your pet's fountain, and each one provides 2 to 4 weeks of effective filtration. Have questions? Our US-based customer care team is ready to assist you. Our pet product experts are available by phone, email, or chat to ensure you and your pet are happy. PetSafe has been a global leader in pet innovations for nearly 30 years. We are committed to helping pets and their people live happy lives together. What we like? These filters are certified to fit various PetSafe fountains, ensuring optimal performance. They contain 50% more carbon than generics, providing superior water refreshment. If you prioritize consistently clean and fresh water for your pet and want long-lasting filtration, these are essential. What people say. Number 2. PetSafe Multi-Tier Pet Fountain. Introducing the PetSafe Multi-Tier Pet Fountain. This large waterer boasts a generous 100-ounce capacity, making it ideal for households with multiple cats and dogs. Its innovative multi-tiered design offers 2 convenient drinking heights. This thoughtful feature is especially beneficial for senior or arthritic pets who may find it difficult to bend down. The enticing falling water stream encourages your pets to drink more throughout the day. Increased hydration helps support their kidney health and overall well-being. With its clever open bowl design, your furry friends will always have access to water, even if your home experiences a power outage. You can rest assured they'll stay hydrated. It provides fresh, flowing water thanks to its replaceable carbon filter, which refreshes the water. A foam filter also catches pet hair and debris, ensuring their water stays clean and inviting. Keeping it clean is a breeze. Simply place the fountain in the top rack of your dishwasher for easy maintenance. Just remember to remove the pump first. What we like. With a 100-ounce capacity, this fountain is ideal for multiple pets or larger breeds. Its multi-tiered design is perfect for senior or arthritic pets. If you have older pets or a multi-pet household and need a reliable, accessible water source, this fountain is designed for you. What people say. Number 1. PetSafe Drinkwell Foam Filters Pack 00-13711. These filters are specifically designed to fit a wide range of PetSafe Drinkwell fountains. They ensure a seamless and secure fit for optimal performance. Keep your pet's water fresh and clean. This filter effectively catches hair and debris, providing your furry friend with pure drinking water. Protect your fountain's pump from damage. By trapping unwanted particles, it helps prolong the lifespan of your pet's water dispenser. Replacing these filters is quick and easy. For best results and continuous clean water, we recommend changing them every 1 to 2 months. Backed by nearly 30 years of experience, PetSafe is a global leader in pet innovations. They are committed to helping pets and their people live happy together. Have questions? Their US-based customer care team is ready to assist you. Reach out via phone, email, or chat for expert help. What we like. These foam filters are certified to fit specific PetSafe ceramic and stainless steel fountains. They effectively catch hair and debris, keeping the water clean. If you want to extend the life of your fountain's pump and ensure consistently clear water, these filters are a must-have. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.